excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make at least $80 every day using a small YouTube channel. You might not even have a YouTube channel. I would encourage you to create yourself a YouTube channel, and I'll show you how to make money, $80 every day using your small YouTube channel. Even if your subscribers are 5 subscribers, even if you've got 6 subscribers, 19 subscribers, 29 subscribers, or even 0 subscribers, I'm going to show you how you can make $80 every day using your small YouTube channel. Before I reveal the details, my friend, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. And I know it is also your desire to make money. You are looking for ways and means of harnessing the power of the internet to make some side income. Let me tell you that you are the correct person and you are watching the correct channel right now. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that I can notify you each time and every time I upload a new video. Okay, without wasting your time, my friend, let's jump into the discussion. Right, I'll show you a few examples of channels on YouTube. Right here, we've got a channel. This channel is called All Sorts Content. It has 38 subscribers. And right here is that this video is about a Dyson hot and cool fan without a remote control, right? So this person uploaded this video showing people how to use this Dyson fan or fan without a remote control. Probably you have lost your remote control for this Dyson fan, right? So he's made a video knowing that these Dyson fans are popular, okay, right? So, and he was right. Look at the views right here, 31,000 views. And he's got only 38 subscribers. Got another video. It says how to make brownies, oven toaster edition. This person has got 467 subscribers. You can't even monetize your channel with those subscribers. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for you to start to make money with your YouTube channel. But you can still make money with your YouTube channel even if you've got 5, 2, or even 0 subscribers. This is what I am talking about right now in this video, right? So let me show you another example. This person made a video about a relaxing hair dryer sound. First of all, we go on to this one. Since we are on this video had 1.3 million views and 530 comments. People engaged with the video, so many comments. But what is strange is that this person did not put affiliate link. So if this person had put some affiliate link right there, you would have made a lot of money, right? So I'll show you in a minute, okay? Let's go to another one. This one, there is no affiliate link in the description right here whatsoever. And the video got almost 12,000 views, right? And then the other one got 31,000 views. And in the description, there is nothing like an affiliate link. So these people are leaving money at the table, right? If only they knew that they could have made money or they could continue to make passive income through YouTube, they could have put an affiliate link or affiliate links in the descriptions of their videos. So this one had 20 comments. It means people really took their time to watch that video and also to drop some comments. So ignorance is costly, right? So this person if he had a link here from Amazon or from some other affiliate network, some of these people, they could have clicked that link and bought a product or two through those affiliate links. Let me just give you an example with a calculator. We'll pull a calculator right here. This is 31,000, right? So if this person had an affiliate link and selling a product, say from Amazon, Amazon gives you up to 12% commission for a product, but most people don't get up to 12. Most people are there in between 1 and 5, 6, maybe 6%. If you get to 12%, you should be now a super affiliate of Amazon. Pull a calculator and do some math a little bit, okay? And we want to assume that if this person had an affiliate link in the description right here of a product from Amazon, it could be a fan or a hair dryer, we just peg a price of $200, right? So $200, and then if you had an affiliate link in this description, and people, some of the 31,000 views right there, clicking the link and buying, right? How much would this person have made from his affiliate link or her affiliate link? 200, that's the price of the product, multiplied by 5%. 5% is the commission rate you get from Amazon if you are good. Otherwise, it's less than that. If you get to 12%, then you should be in a super affiliate, all right? So 200 times 5%, okay, 0.05, answer, that's $10. So, and we assume that also the conversion rate of this product is about 3%. So for every 3% of 31,000 views, 31,000 views right there, and then we assume that 3% of these people clicked on the link and they bought. So how much is that? So we see that 0.3 times 31,000, answer, that's 930. So 930 people would have clicked the link, and then they would have bought that product, and the product is $200, and the commission rate is 5%, and each person is bringing in $10. So you can see that 930 times 10 would be 9,000. So that one times 10, that's 9,300. So you can see that it doesn't matter how big your channel is. As long as you are doing a review on a product that people are looking for, then you can make a lot of money. So this one, same thing, 11,000 people. And you assume that 3% of those people are going to click the link in the description, and then they buy something that you are selling through your affiliate link. Made a lot of money. What about this one now? 1.3 million views, and you assume that 3% only would click the link. So let's pull the calculator again. 3% is 0.03 times 1,300,000. 1,300,000. Yeah, that one, answer, right? That is almost 40,000 people. 40,000 people bringing in $10, right? Buying through the link, and the affiliate commission is $10, you find that it's a lot of money. Times 10. Just multiply by 10 there. Right. Look at that, my friend. $400,000. This is how people are making money through affiliate marketing. Okay. Right. Now, let me show you, since I am demonstrating to you and I'm showing you how you can make at least $80 every day. That figure is too small. It's too small. You can make much more. I'll demonstrate for you with a site called GearBest. GearBest is almost similar to Amazon, but you've got so many good products right there. And the greatest thing that is on GearBest is their affiliate percentage. You go down to the bottom of this of the screen, gearbest.com, right? And then you scroll down to the bottom, you see where it says associate programs, and then you click right there. GearBest will give you 50% commission. You get up to 50% commission right there, right? So, my friend, if the product in the affiliate link was selling for $200 and you get 50% commission, it means instead of $10, which you're getting on Amazon, you are getting $100. You can see for yourself, my friend. You can do the math and you can see that it's possible. And the good thing is that once you throw your video on YouTube right here, it's there as long as YouTube is there. And people are continuing to visit YouTube and checking for reviews of certain products, right? So on GearBest now, you can jump on cameras, because cameras out, security cameras are hot products at the minute, right? You can check on Google Trends and see. But what you do now, you come to where it says products between $200 and $500. If it is a fan, to make a review of a fan or fans, you put fan right there in the search, filter your prices between $200 and $500. So that when you sell anything through your link on YouTube, you'll be making at least $100. I'm sure you've got the picture now, my friend, okay? If you favor Amazon affiliate marketing, you can go to Amazon Associates, you sign up right there, you go through the registration process. Once you are approved, you start to market the products on here and you get your commission. Here on GearBest now, you just get 50% straight away. This is how you're going to make money using a small YouTube channel. It doesn't matter whether your YouTube channel has got 115 subscribers or 95 subscribers or 27 subscribers or even 0 subscribers, right? Now you can still make money with your small YouTube channel. All right. If you want to find my #1 recommendation for making money online on AutoPilot, check my #1 recommendation in the description below, where you are going to be shown how to make money passively whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are doing the more important things of life, spending quality time with your wife, with your husband, with your children, hands-free. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see each other in the next videos. See you later. Bye.